Everyday struggle, guys. So in my house I have to park the car with the driver's side near the wall, as you guys can see, and I have to jump from passenger side to driver's side. Yep. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well, and a very happy new year to all of you. This year I'll try to be more active on my YouTube channel. I'll try to post videos as regularly as I could. Yes, right now I'm on my way to meet Vipul, and we are also meeting the E93 M3, my favorite generation of the BMW M3. So we are taking a few pictures of the car today. Yes, that's the plan right now. As you guys know, the E92 M3 is one of my dream cars. The only difference between an E92 and E93 M3 is that the E93 was the hardtop convertible version. So this was the major difference. The car which we are shooting today is an E93 M3.
2 hours later.
And just like that, we are now inside the BMW E93 M3. Let me just turn this car on. Oh yes. And this is the button to put the roof down or up. How do we do it? Oh. And yes. Yes, I think it's done. So this is the car right here. If you guys remember, I think about 3 years back I drove this exact car. So we are here today shooting a few nice pictures of this car. As you guys can see, the red color pops and the sunset at the back. So this is the E93 M3, the convertible version of the E92 M3, which is the coupe variant. So there are very few E92 coupe variants of the M3 in India as compared to this, the E93, the convertible version. This is how it looks from the inside. This is how it looks from the inside. This is the start-stop button. And this thing goes up till around 8200 RPMs. So the 3.9 liter V8 engine is quite high revving in this car. Of course, this is the 7-speed DCT transmission. Although the E92, the coupe version, was available in manual as well, and I don't think there's any convertible E93 with the manual transmission, but there are a few E92 with the manual transmission. This car has a exhaust cutout setup, which makes the car sound a bit more aggressive. So yes, that's how the car sounds. So this is the engine bay. As you guys can see, this is the AFE carbon fiber air intake, cold air intake, and nothing much has done to this car. Looks pretty clean and amazing. So the E9X M3s are in very much demand these days. As I told you guys, there are very few E92s in the country, and they are not selling their cars anytime soon. So that's why these days the value of this car, in my opinion, is rising because nobody is selling their E92s. ये खोलियो यार,
काम करवाता है यार.
मैं कैमरा रख दूं, तेरे वाला भी आगे पड़ा है. Oops. So yes, this is the problem when the roof, when the roof is down, पूरी की पूरी roof is in dicky and you have very less space to put your saman, and we have to put our cameras back in the bags. अब इसको वापस करना पड़ेगा.
फिर वो क्या करना है?
वापस डालने हैं.
अबे ऐसा निकाल लेंगे.
भाई रेस लगाओगे? साथ में भी बिल्कुल तैयार होके खड़ा होगा.
ये ब्लॉपर वो डालती हो. इंटेक की आवाज कितनी अच्छी है
ना, स्लो स्पीड्स में. फैंस खड़े, फैंस. So guys, because this area is very close to politician's house, so we won't be able to, you know, push the car and just feel the DCD. But once we find an open road, we'll definitely.
माधव यार छत ऊपर कर दे यार, ठंड लग रही है यार.
वही करने. कुछ सुनेगा भी नहीं किसी को.
नहीं सुनाई देगा, सब सुनाई देगा.
नीचे करके हो रही थी, ऊपर करके.
ना मर्जी कर.
होगी.
ये
We are in E92 now.
Done sir.
शीशे थोड़ा नीचे for the music. Sorry, auntie. So guys, we are not being stopped by the police, but this is Vipul. He's using his new light and he's just clicking a few pictures, experimenting. होगी photo?
Let's see क्या बना.
ठीक है। PCR वाली लाइट्स लगाई हुई हैं इसने, वैसे कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है यहाँ पे गाइस। ओके सो नाउ यू विल सी द कार, देयर शी इज। इट्स डार्क, इट्स क्या टाइम हो गया, it's 6:46 in the evening and we found this dark spot.
नहीं बनी, बात नहीं बनी। मैं उल्टा करके ऐसे करके मार रहा हूँ, लाइट क्यों नहीं आ रही है यार?
And just like that we are back to reality. So we have dropped off the M3 at Mansej Baj's place. A huge thanks to him for allowing us to take his car out and click a few pictures and make this vlog. I hope you enjoyed this, but I'll try to be regular on my channel. So in the next video I'll be sharing my future modification plans with my Skoda Rapid, so stay tuned for that video. Do subscribe to my channel and I hope you enjoyed this video with the M3. See you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.